You don't have control. The system already owns you. And if you don't install your own, you will die a slave. That's why I opened sprint spots. 15 minutes to get in. The link is in the description below. You have no control. The lie of control. You wake up early, you journal, you have discipline, and that's the illusion of control. A lot of you think that, okay, cool, I'm getting into gear. I now understand how to break out of my dopamine loops, and I have all my control. Not necessarily true. The underlying things within your psyche are attached to the algorithm, right? The algorithm has your attention. Debt owns your labor. Softness owns your decision. So a lot of you think you're out of a loop, but you're really not. You really didn't break out because the algorithm still holds on to your attention, right? And because you go to your 9 to 5 and you feel like you're taking the right steps forward, you're not really setting up any systems. Therefore, you continue to buy things that are what? To showcase to people that you're better than them. Then they don't really give a fuck about you. Everybody's worrying about themselves if you haven't figured that out just yet, right? And so you go into more debt, and then the debt owns your labor. So you go back into work to pay off the very debt that you put yourself in to show people. Like it's a mess. And then softness owns your decisions. You don't like getting rid of your comforts. You're a human. Humans hate discomfort. And so you've taken that so close to your heart, and you've taken that softness so close that you don't want to get rid of it ever. You just want to lean into your softness. You want women around all the time. You always want to relax, right? You let a woman lead you instead of their inverse. And so all that determines all of your decisions, which means you have no structure. So if you don't have structure, you're being controlled. And as you can see here, here is you with structure. You have a barrier. You have an understanding of what your boundaries are to life. You know what you want to do. You know how you're going to do it. You know who you're leading and what responsibilities you have on a day-to-day basis. But if you don't have that understanding and that basis to life, you're being controlled. You are distracted. You have corn in your life. Your ego runs you. And a lot of men, it's their ego. Work, you give all of your attention and energy to work. Laziness, you get out of work, then make excuses on why you can't work on your own structure. Women, you love women. You love the softness women bring, but you can't contain it. And that's why they don't stay long. You just want to crack and leave. Makes no sense, right? And so systems run the world. So here you are. Right? And you think that your willpower is going to get you by. I can create my reality. You hear me speak about it. You hear other spiritual gurus talk about how you can create your reality, which is very true. But what they don't tell you is that you have to have a structure to create your reality and the reality that you're looking to live. But you're controlled by softness, validation, distractions, ego, corn, loops. Think about it. They're all pulling at you if you have no structure. You think that, oh, I have all this willpower to do and act. And therefore you go hard in the gym. You go hard at work. You go hard in your friendships. But that doesn't bring you any fucking fulfillment. You have a gift that's within you that you're not taking action on. And therefore it's just sitting there. And so you feel all this potential, but you're controlled by all these things. And so what's going on? Right? And so you're just giving yourself to other systems that run the world, thinking that you can create your reality while you're really just creating your prison. So freedom is not willpower. Freedom is system power. As we've broken down before, freedom is all about discipline. If you are not disciplined, you're not going to have freedom. But it's discipline to what? Are you disciplined to your distractions, your loops, women, your softness, your validation? Or are you loyal to the systems that create the freedom through discipline? So your freedom is your system power. The more systems you have that are bringing you progression of the abundance that is within the gift, the better you will be at having the freedom that you keep looking for within all these other distractions, loops, and within women. Right? And so you have to install your own system or you're going to collapse and die a slave. This whole game we're in, it's built off of systems. Right? So if you create your own system that's running, cash flowing, bringing a self-mastery side out of you, because that's all business is. It's just self-mastery with the fucking shell of money. Right, so the more money you get, the more responsibility you have, which then puts more pressure on you and your structure. Therefore, if you don't have a solid structure, it's going to expose you to that. And if you're smart enough, you're going to realize all the holes within your structure, patch them by doing the self-improvement that's required of you to have the structure so that you can hold the responsibility that brings the cash flow. So it's really just self-mastery wrapped up in a dollar sign. And the good ones, the good folk, install these systems back to back to back to back to back to back to back until they have a full functioning operating system where they can teach others the system so that the system starts to run by itself and they can enjoy the freedoms of their labor, right? Or the fruits of their labor, right? So you either install a system that prints for you or you serve the system that feeds off of you. And as you can see here, this system runs by itself. You don't have to worry about it besides overseeing it and making sure the people that are within the system that believe in the vision, because the vision also incorporates them in their vision. You have to always make sure that that system's continuing so that everyone's being led and fed in the right direction. Or jump into a system that feeds off of your energy. When you go to your 9 to 5 and you clock into your dead end 9 to 5, it's taking your energy. And then a lot of you go home and say, ooh, I'm too tired to work out. Ooh, I'm too tired to fuck my wife. Ooh, I'm too tired to tend to my children. Ooh, I'm too tired to work on myself. And then you wonder why your life ends up in a shithole. You're giving all your energy away without storing or saving enough for yourself and the people that you care about, which means you have no structure. And then you allow the little bit of energy that you have to be given to the algorithm, to be given to your sexual thoughts that you could be executing on the women that actually care about you and the family that you have. And if you don't have a family just yet, you then blame the same algorithm that's taking your energy, focus it on not getting women or not focusing on a structure that can garnish the results that you're looking for, which is a family unit. And you just give all your energy away to bullshit in dopamine loops. And worse, if you the motherfuckers that's giving away your energy to OF girls and fucking Cornhub, you are a problem. You are the problem that society has. You are the sickness that society has. And it's a lot of y'all motherfuckers because there's too many of these OF girls running around making $1 bazillion off of your pettiness or off of your sorry ass that won't build a structure to build. If you were to build a structure that actually holds something of value, you would have a better chance at getting a woman of value to relax herself enough so you can breed her, have a family, now a child, that would also then contribute to you then fixing your structure because now you have something and some people that are behind you that you must lead. But you give all your attention to OF girls, your distractions, your ego, other men, to flaunt your chest up like a fucking peacock, and then you blame society for not providing the women that you want, so that you can have a family. And then by the time you get to your late 20s, early 30s, you're saying, well, I didn't lock in long enough. Let me lock in for real. Do you lock in for what? A month or two, get tired because it's not fucking easy. And then you go back to the same bullshit ass loops that keep you stuck. And the year goes by and goes by and goes by. I want you to watch. 4 months are left in 2025. January 1st come, everybody got resolution list. By January 29th, everybody done with their resolution list. January 31st roll around, you back in the same bullshit that you was in for 2025. And then watch the year go by. And then you go party because the spring come around. Summer come around, now the ass is out. Right? Now you looking and chasing tail just to fuck, not to build. And then the same shit goes over and over and over and over. You're confused. You're stuck. And then you have something to blame. You always have something to blame instead of looking yourself in the mirror and saying, I have no systems. I have no structure. I have no ability to lead. I don't have the authority just yet to lead because I haven't done enough self-work on myself to lead. You can't blame your 9 to 5 for the reason that you have no structure. You have no structure because you don't want to commit to yourself. So 6 years into 6 weeks, that's what the sprints are. I take 6 years of pain and suffering, put it into a 6-week curriculum, and forge you into a structured man so that you can get all of the abundances that are locked within your gift. Because this false control that you think you have, it has to die for the true power to rise. There's no way that you can have a duality of dealing with your loops and your distractions and being all fucking comforted up and softened up and have a fucking structure impenetrable so that you can go through society and murder everything, right? You know how easy it is for people with a little bit of fucking like step or a little, even like a soft structure, someone who's looking to move forward. You know how easy it is for them to get through society because some of y'all are so fucking whack and so soft-boned and bitch-like. It's easy for a killer to get food. So if you just wake up for 2 seconds, say, oh shit, I got a gift now. And there's a lot of people that are waiting for me to really unlock my gift and become the person that I said I want to become. As soon as you unlock it, it becomes like cash flow comes immediately, because now not only are you in the frequency, but the frequency of society is so fucking low that if you will rise above it, everyone's going to notice. And now not only are you showcasing your gift, but people are going to want to get to where you are because they feel the same potential within themselves. That you can almost give them your gift and it will pull them out. It's the same feeling people get with church. You go to church and you feel, oh yeah, I'm in the church and now all my sins from the week have gone away because the pastor's saying something profound and I resonate with that message. It's because the potential that they have within them is resonating, or the word is resonating with them, and it pulls them out of the distraction for maybe an hour or two, however long they're in the sermon, and then they walk out to church, they lose the motivation by dinner time, and they start Monday doing the same bullshit. You've been there before. I know you're probably still doing that shit right now. You probably geared up to go to fucking church on Sunday, pray to God for some bullshit that you know you can do by yourself. God not fucking listening to y'all. I want you to understand that. You so worried about this damn false control. Wake up. Understand that you have a gift and your gift holds all your abundance. And so ante up, bro. It's time to really get after it because the year's almost done. There's 4 months left. So your closing decree. You have no control. The system already owns you. Only those who install their own system will be free. Decide now, 6 weeks or slavery. The link is in the description below. Consider yourself warned.